So most companies think they have automated HR. But here is the reality. If a HR team still chasing approvals, onboarding employee manually, doing payroll, and coordinating across multiple HR systems, then you have not automated it. You just digitalized. The biggest mistake company make is choosing the bad software, is buying software that solves the wrong problem. So in this video, I'll compare the best HR software to help you understand which is actually best for your business. And one thing to know before we start, not all platform is a one-stop solution. And there is newest category A agent, some are HRMS, and the others are built to automate workflows. And we just execute all the work across existing system. So instead of ranking them, I'm going to show you where each one fits. Let's start with Workday. When people hear HR automation, Workday is one of the first that usually comes in mind. But here's the catch. It's originally not built as a HR automation or AI automation platform. It's a system of record for enterprise AI. Meaning, it manages workflows from one place. Employee records, recruitment, performance, payroll, complaints, all that. So it's great for the large global companies. And recently, Workday has had in its role-specific AI agent, like talent mobility, recruitment, payroll. It's an automated workflow inside an ecosystem. But if you process stretch across all these tools, then you might teach something that orchestrates across all the tools. And also keep in mind, Workday implementation will take months. And usually require the partners to set up and maintain. So choose Workday if a large enterprise wanting one core HR platform. But if you're trying to reduce manual work or layer AI automation on top of the existing tools, then you might want to take a look at different category entirely. Next one, UKG. You should deal is sitting in the bench all day, like airlines, manufacturing, hospitality, retail. The UKG is one of the strongest options. Unlike Workday, which focuses on HR management, it's completely focused on workforce management. It really designed in the way to help companies handle thousands of frontline employees efficiently. And with the right AI, UKG adds automation for the things like scheduling, time tracking, compliance, and payroll, which is a huge D for hardy workforces. But it mainly focused on HR and workforce operations. So if employee is managing system-based pains, reducing schedule conflicts, or staying comparing with the labor law, great fit. But if you're looking for a cross-platform AI orchestration, then UKG is not built for it. It's strongest when it comes to workforce scheduling and payroll as their core pain point. Next up is ADP. If ADP is not for one thing, it's payroll. If you're a small business or an enterprise or managing people across country, ADP is built to break. It's more simpler and more accurate. But here's the important distinction. ADP is primarily not an HR AI automation tool. Its strength lies in payroll, time, and attendance, HR service, and compliance. What ADP does especially well is removing the administration burden of payroll. It helps organizations process payroll accurately, manage employee time, stay compliant with tax and labor legislation, and generate workforce insights that help HR teams make better decisions. ADP also introduced AI capabilities. It mainly focused on helping HR with the reports, insights, and customer support. It's not meant for complex automation across multiple platforms. Okay, so when does ADP make the most sense? Then ADP is still one of the trusted platforms in the industries. But it's in all is to end-to-end automation, things like onboarding, offboarding, payroll automations, employee lifecycle automation. You probably need another layer of orchestration on top of your payroll code platforms. And next one is SAP SuccessFactors. If you're operating across country and you're looking for enterprise-grade HR management, then this is one of the strongest options in the market. Its core strength is managing the entire employee lifecycle with the AI support across most functions. So instead of having one assistant, SAP offers dedicated AI assistant for each HR functions like recruitment, onboarding, offboarding, time management, payroll, etc. Each assistant automates specific tasks and streamline workflow under SAP ecosystem. Now SAP actually stand out as helping large organizations standardize and automate complex HR operation globally. The payroll is still enterprise HCM. The implementation can take months and companies work with partners to customize it. So if you think about enterprise with full HR management systems that to embedded with AI, then SAP is one of the strongest choice in the industries. But if you're looking to automate with an existing ecosystem, then you should go for a better choice. Until now, we look at platforms that automates workflow within that ecosystem. They help you manage payroll, onboarding, employee records, complaints, and the employee lifecycle really well. So what if the HR essentially it's like one ecosystem?
Today, HR work across dozens of different tools, and that creates a new category of software that not just a HR management system, but an AI platform that automates work across all your tech stack. So let's talk about Moveworks. Moveworks was built to automate employee support across the enterprise. It's a great fit for branch organizations that
Want the employee to complete tasks, get answers, and access through a single AI assistant.
So what kind of automation does it actually provide? Employee asks questions in natural languages, and the AI understand it, find info, and give the right answer, and it even complete the task across the connected enterprise system without employee jumping between one application to another. It supports HR to a conversational AI and company deploy a different AI agent for different teams and different functions.
That works really stand out is the employee experience. It brings together the enterprise search, support automation, and task execution under one AI assistant. Help it reduce support ticket and increase the productivity. But there are few trade-offs. Moveworks is primarily built for a large organization with mature ecosystem. So integration, implementation, and pricing are geared toward the enterprise standard. So if your goal is to give your employee an AI assistant that answers questions, complete tasks, and simply work across multiple ecosystems, then Moveworks is one of the strongest platforms to evaluate. Then Leena AI, it takes the similar approach, but it focuses more on HR. It's a conversational HR automation that helps automate HR services. And people you can automate HR services like HR policies, employee support, payroll assistant, and repetitive HR operations. It integrated with your HR system. So many of the workflows can be automated instead of doing manually. So if your goal is to improve HR service delivery and employee experience, the Leena AI is what your evaluation. And here's what surprised me during my research. The challenge isn't finding the AI for HR anymore. The challenge is finding an AI that is practical to deploy. Many platforms are built for enterprise level implementation, all with the very narrow use cases. But HR team could want faster deployment with a lesser implementation level. And one platform that takes this approach is Workativ. And that's when Workativ stood out to me. And they the platforms that mainly focus on employee support, it uses two layers of the AI. The first is AI agent that gives employee a true self-service experience. Employee can ask questions, request fee, ask for payroll documents, and helping with their enrollment, all through a simple conversation. But here's the interesting part. Behind every employee questions, there is a work that HR, IT, and finance still have to do. And that's why Workativ AI co-workers comes in. They automate everything that happens behind the scene. Coordinating, onboarding and offboarding, processing payroll and document workflows, managing approvals, provisioning user access, and orchestrating multi-step process across HR, IT, payroll, finance, and other business systems. What also surprised me is the AI agentic approach. Instead of relying on one general-purpose AI agent, Workativ has built a different sub-agent for onboarding, offboarding, payroll, leave management requirements, or any business process. And because it's a no-code AI agent, HR and operation team can build, deploy, and change or update everything themselves without relying on the developers. And it also works across Slack, Microsoft Teams, WhatsApp, website, and other employee channels where you're connecting with the HR and business systems you already use. So if you're looking for a platform that goes beyond employee support and actually automate end-to-end business workflow with fast implementation and enterprise-grade capabilities, Workativ is definitely worth evaluating. So which platform should you choose? Well, it's based on the problem you're trying to solve. If you're looking for a complete enterprise HRMS, then Workday and SAP SuccessFactors are still among the strongest options. they excel at managing core HR operations, employee data, payroll, compliance, and the entire employee lifecycle. But here's a trade-off. Many of the workforce are still process-driven, meaning they often take tasks that HR, IT, finance, or operation teams still need to do manually. If workforce management, scheduling, payroll, and compliance are your priority, then UKG and ADP are excellent options. But if you want an AI that understands employee requests, orchestrate workflow across multiple systems, and help both employees and HR complete work from start to finish, the AI automation platform deserves a closer look. Moveworks is the strongest choice for enterprise-wide employee support. But if your goal is the end-to-end automation, not just managing processes, with fast deployment, agentic AI capabilities, enterprise-grade automation with a no-code implementation, instead of month-long deployment, then Workativ is definitely the one. At the end of the day, the best platform isn't the one with the more features. It's the one that's able to solve the problem the company has. And choose the best of the work you want to eliminate. And this is like to see AI automatic complete end-to-end workflow. I have given the Workativ demo URL in the description. If this video helpful, then subscribe for more HR tech comparisons.